Today, I'm gonna put the Nexar Smart Dashcam to the test. We're gonna crash this car into this wall while Clarence is inside.
Wait, what?
See, Nexar dashcams detect when there's a crash or hard brake. Like that. All Nexar dashcams record your drive in super crisp HD directly to the Nexar app.
Oh, wow. I want to put it on my MySpace.
That's right. You can share any moment from your drive directly from the Nexar app.
Clarence, your dashcam texted me.
This is your Nexar emergency contact?
Can I get my phone back?
No.
Are we dead? Wait, are these my drives?
You see, all Nexar dashcams come with free and unlimited cloud backup. That means all your important moments, and those fun moments you choose to keep, are kept for good. Nexar designs the smartest dashcams in the world. Not only do they record your drives directly to your phone and cloud, but they also show you where you parked. Like, really show you. It can generate incident reports that make filing insurance claims super easy. Also, Nexar dashcams get software updates over the air, meaning they get smarter over time. And lastly, installing it is so easy that even Gammy can do it.
Damn right I can.
So, if you're still here, then what are you waiting for? It's a jungle out there. Protect yourself and the drivers in your family and get a smart Nexar dashcam today at getnexar.com. It's so smart that
It's kind of dumb to drive without one.
you make me proud. Here's your phone.
Hey, my video has 10 views on MySpace. 11.